Well, hello there. Welcome. I am going to show you what you're going to be doing this weekend in Canvas. I feel like one of my professors, because she does this for my Canvas class for grad school. So when you go to your calendar, you will see that I have updated it, and it looks like this. So it says homework is workbook, page 3, 1 through 3, 7 through 10. And then you have another homework assignment, which is workbook page 13, 1 through 3, 5, 8 through 9. So again, when you go to your math assistance page, you will see that I have uploaded I really sound like her. Not like literally, but what she does. Hold up. This stuff didn't publish. Well, goodness gracious. I did upload this. I don't know why it's not showing up. I did it right before I came to school. So, let's see something real quick. Let me pause this video. Okay, I just forgot to publish it. Here we are. As I pause the video. So you'll see the new workbooks here, and your homework was to do 1 through 3, and then it says page 13, which is 9-2, and it gives you some specific numbers there to do. So I am the page 3 is pretty simple. It says identify the vertex, min and max when you finish your exploratory lesson. That should be simple. And then when you go here, that's my stuff. Okay, I'm gonna click on the right thing sooner or later. And so you'll see this assignment in Math Assistance. I just got to put it there. These are the directions for you to do your homework. Now, you can save this as a copy, or you can maybe download it and just use this to upload. That's what I would do. I'm going to show you what I'm expecting you to do. So it says directions for numbers 1 through 3, 5, 8 through 9. This is again on page, let me do this now, page 13 for numbers 1 through 3. On page 13, you will use gizmos to create the graphs of each function. You will use the camera tool to take a picture, save it, and then write the axis of symmetry and the vertex of the graph. Save this assignment as WB 9.2 homework and upload it into Canvas. And we're going to go through all of this in a moment. All right, so when you go here, say for instance, I'm on page 9, well, page 13, and I need to do number 1. Y equals 4x squared minus 2. I'm not going to do that one because I'm just going to show you for example. So when I'm in Explore Learning, which is our gizmos, I was about to say, where are you at? All these tabs I got over. So for instance, this was the equation that was given to me. I'll make something like what they have. So I'm going to say 3x squared plus 5. So the directions ask, I am going to pull this out into a different tab so I can go back and forth. The direction says find the equation of the axis of symmetry and the coordinates of the vertex of the graph of each function. So this is going to be pretty simple. It's really more like a can I follow directions, what Miss O'Neill says to follow thing. All right, so I want to go here. So if my equation originally was, I'm sorry, I'm everywhere. I'm gonna get my life together in a second. That's why I should just have the tabs open that I need. Now, how about we just do that? We're gonna need you. We're not gonna need you. We're gonna close you. That's me, my Canvas from UNCC. That's the way I uploaded. I don't need you anymore. I've uploaded everything. I don't need Yahoo Open anymore. All right. So we're going to say that was the equation. Well, it says, hey, give me the vertex. So vertex, y'all, is right here. The vertex would be 0, 5. And then it says, give me the equation of the axis of symmetry. You've learned that the axis of symmetry is the vertical line that splits the, now you should know, parabola, quadratic function, as now has a name, the graph of the parabola, in half. And so it is this right here. So what I would like you to do, I would like you to take a picture. Now, if you have a program such as Snipping Tool, you can actually take a picture of the whole thing. So my computer comes with Snipping Tool. All right, so I can take a picture of the entire thing. And if you have a program like this, all I'm really asking you to do is to take a picture of that, copy it, put it in the Word document. You can create, insert a text box. And you can say, you can call this number 1. Now you can be doing this with me if you want to. Sometimes I'll increase the font. And then just paste the picture inside. And as I can see that the vertex is 0, 5, and the axis of symmetry is x equals 0. So the axis of symmetry is the vertical line that goes through the vertex. So it's always going to be the x equals line. But now I'm not going to make that simple for y'all. Sorry, I'm changing my mind. We're not going to do that. So delete that. Because it's going to be, that's nothing. Because y'all have to get used to writing the axis of symmetry. So forget Snipping Tool. Take it out of your life. You're going to take a picture. Hit this button right here. It says processing screen. It says right click image to copy or download. So we're going to right click and say copy image. Bring it over to the document that I've created. All right. And if you want to change like the picture, you can come up here and say wrap text, and you can say in front of text or behind text. And then you can change the size of the picture, bring it in here, add yourself a nice little text document, insert text document, and say that and you can refer back here. What is the axis of symmetry? Well, what's the vertex? I don't want to take this picture again. The vertex is 0, 5. 0, 5. And you should now notice a maximum, minimum. What am I talking about? It's a minimum. All right, so the vertex is 0, 5. And the axis of symmetry, so you can say a capital A of symmetry, is x equals 0, which represents the what? Y-axis. That's all you're doing. So you're doing that for numbers. Let's go back to the calendar. We're doing that. Did I close down the calendar? I think I closed down the calendar, guys and girls, male and female. You are doing that for numbers. Again, I don't need the calendar. It's right here. That's why I closed the calendar. It's for numbers 1 through 3, 5, 8 through 9 on page 13. Let me make this look neat. So we're going to increase the font. I'm really hitting. Well, I'm not going to tell you what I'm hitting, but increase the font. If you don't write x equals, because the axis of symmetry is an equation, you're going to lose points. Don't do that to your life. And that's all I'm asking you to do. So that's number 1. You'll create a new text box. And again, you could do all this. I'm using Word, but you could do this in Google Docs and then copy and create. This is 2. Say, for instance, my new equation from number 2 was y equals 2x plus 6x, 2x squared plus 6x minus 3. Okay, so notice I have my show vertex on and I have my axis of symmetry. And so I'll take a picture of you. I'll right click and copy this image. I will come down here, paste this image, not in there. Paste this image over here. It's too large. I'll shrink the size so it fits. I'm at double click so I can change and have it move. So I move it in front of the text. I can come up here and copy this box. Control C, bring you down, and just simply change the vertex. The vertex here, well, I don't know that point. Where can I find that point? Well, I can find it right here. The vertex is negative 1.5, negative 7.5, negative 1.5, negative 7.5. If you're like me, I don't like stuff going to the next line, so I will increase that. And then the axis of symmetry is x equals negative 1.5. Now you should start noticing something about the axis of symmetry and the vertex. You should start noticing something really soon about that. And then you move on to the next one. And so when you have this done, I know I have them saved as directions. I'm going to save a new file. I'm going to save as. Now again, you can upload as a Google Doc. I'll show you in a second. It says save your document as. I forgot what I said to save it as. Workbook 9.2 homework. File. Save as. Workbook 9.2 homework. Save. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to upload this into Canvas. Upload. So I'm in Canvas. I'm in Student View. So go to Modules. Click on Workbook 9.2, 1 through 3, 5, 8 through 9, Uploads. You're going to say Submit Assignment. And you're going to choose a file. If you have it in your Google Drive, you can put it in from your Google Drive. But choose a file. I don't know where I save this at. File, save as. Where did I save this as? Oh, it's in my worksheets and stuff. All right. So I know where it's at. This is the secret of where all my math files are at. Worksheets and activities. Workbook 9.2 homework. Open. Submit assignment. And I will have it. Simple as that. All right. So if you want to come over here and check it, you can download it, whatever like that. If you created a Google Doc, you should be able to do the same thing. For all the people that's going to have technical issues, quote unquote, you'll be able to do all this during lunch on Monday. All right, great. Okay, wonderful. Sacrifice your lunch. All right, great. All right, wonderful. All right, great. All right, as always, it's been great spending time with you, teaching you the things that I just came up with this right when I left school. I tell you, I have a brilliant mind, y'all. My mind just keeps going. When I think about y'all and advancing your future, I just be like, what can I do to show, I don't know, that I care about you? All right, have a great life. I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.